Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious sushi step by step. First, let's prepare the foundation, perfect sushi rice. Begin by washing 2 cups of short grain rice until the water is clear. Then cook it with 2.5 cups of water. While it cooks, mix 4 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt for your seasoning. Gently fold this mixture into the warm rice. This creates the essential sticky, flavorful base for your rolls. Now that your rice is ready, it's time to prepare your nori and fillings. Place a sheet of nori, shiny side down, on your bamboo rolling mat. Gently spread a thin, even layer of your seasoned sushi rice over about 2/3 of the nori sheet. Remember to leave approximately 1 inch of the top edge bare. This will help seal your roll later. Finally, arrange your chosen fillings, like fresh fish or crisp vegetables, horizontally across the rice. Be mindful not to overfill. This is where the magic happens, rolling your sushi. Using your bamboo mat, gently lift the edge closest to you, carefully folding it over your fillings. Apply consistent, even pressure as you continue to roll forward, creating a firm, compact cylinder. Once you reach the bare edge of the nori, moisten it with a tiny bit of water to create a secure seal. Ensure your roll is tight and uniform. This prevents it from falling apart when sliced. Congratulations, you're almost there. Now it's time to slice and serve your beautiful sushi. For the best results, use a very sharp, damp knife. Slice your roll into 6 to 8 even pieces, wiping the blade clean with a damp cloth between each cut. This ensures clean, precise slices. Arrange your freshly made sushi artfully on a serving platter. Serve immediately with traditional accompaniments like soy sauce, pickled ginger, and a touch of wasabi. Enjoy your homemade sushi.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.